Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, I hope you're enjoying my video. Do you know today lesson is letter C. Do you know how to write C? Yes, a half circle. C sounds K. Yes, C sounds K. Cap, clock, cup. Okay friends, do you know K is grass letter because written in two middle lines. Okay, let me tell you some animals start from K, like cat, crocodile, cobra, camel. Now it's your turn. Tell me some words start from K. I hope you remember. I hope you enjoyed my video and learned so much. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Bye bye friends.